Yeah, hi, welcome to the Trailer Badges Solutions YouTube channel. If you are not yet to subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Your one subscription a lot to me. So if you want to do any more videos on any trailer topics, please let me know on that comment box. So today we are going to discuss few more FAQs on Sales Agent Force Agent Force Specialist certification. So the first question in this video is Universal containers currently tracks leads with custom object. So you see preparing to implement the sales development representative agent. So here what you should keep in mind while implementing the sales development representative agent. The option A is Agentforce SDR only works with the standard lead object. Option B is Agentforce SDR only works on opportunities. Option B is Agentforce SDR only support custom object associated with the accounts. The correct option is A. Okay, let's move to that another question. So Universal Containers is planning a marketing email about products that most closely matches a customer expressed interest. So what should the company use generate this email? Option A is standard email draft with Einstein and choose standard email template. Option B is custom sales email template which is grounded with the interest and product information. Option C is standard email marketing template using Apex or flows for matching interest in products. The correct option is option B. Moving to the next question, Universal Containers implements three custom actions to get three distinct type of Salesforce summaries for its customers, its users. Users are complaining that they are not getting the right summary based on their utterances. So, what should the agent specialist investigate as the root cause? So, the option A is review the action instructions to ensure they are unique. Option B is ensure the input and output types are correctly chosen. Option C is review the custom action is assigned to an agent. The right option is A. Moving to the next question, Universal Containers plans to enhance the customer support team's productivity by using AI. So, which specific use case sorry, which specific use case necessitate the use of prompt template? The option A is estimate the support ticket volume based on historical data and seasonal trends. Option B is creating an AI generated customer support agent performance scores. Option C is creating a draft of a support bulletin post for new product patches. So the correct option is C. Moving to the fifth question on today's video, an Agentforce specialist is creating a custom action for Agentforce. Which setting should the agent specialist test and iterate on to ensure the action performs as expected? The option A is action instructions, option B is action name, option C is action input. The right answer is action instructions. A. So the next question, Universal Containers deployed that new agent force sales development representative agent into its production. So, but sales reps are saying they can't find it here. So, what might be the root cause for this issue? Option A is sales reps users doesn't have access to that SDR agent object. Option B is sales rep users are missing the use SDR agent permission set. Option C is sales rep users profiles are missing the allow SDR agent permission. So the right option is B. The next question is a sales manager is using Agentforce assistant to streamline their daily tasks. They ask the agent to show me a list of my open opportunities. How does the large language model in Agentforce identify and execute the action to show the sales manager a list of open opportunities? Option A is the LLM interrupt, interprets the user's request, generates a plan by identifying the appropriate topics and actions, and execute that action to retrieve and display the open opportunities. Option B is the LLM uses a static set of rules to match the user request with predefined topics and access by passing the need of dynamic interpretation and planning. So the correct option is A. The next question is universal containers want to use a flow to bring data from unified data cloud objects to prompt templates. So which type of flow should UC use? So option A is unified object linking flows, B data cloud triggered flows, option C template triggered prompt flow. So the right option is C. Next question is an agent force agent has been developed with the multiple topics and actions that use flow and apex. Which options are available for deploying these to production? Option A is deploy flows, apex, and all agent related items using either change set or the Salesforce CLI or metadata API. Option B is use only change sets because the Salesforce CLI doesn't currently support the deployment of agent related metadata. Option C is deploy the flow and Apex using normal deployment tool and manually create the agent related items in production. The correct option is option A. The next question is after configuring and saving a Salesforce Agentforce data library, which components are automatically created and available in data cloud? Option A is a data connector, a analytics dashboard, and a workflow rule. Option B is a data stream, a search index, and a retriever. Option C is a data pipeline, an indexing engine, and a query processor. The correct option is B. It should automatically create a data stream and a search index and a retriever. The next question is an agent force specialist is tasked with creating a prompt template for sales team. The template needs to generate a summary all related opportunities for a given account. Which grounding technique should the agent force specialist use to include data from the related list of opportunities in the prompt template? Option A is use merge fields to reference the default related list of opportunities. Option B is use the merge fields to reference a custom related list of opportunities. Option C is use formula fields to reference Einstein related list of opportunities. The correct option is A. The next question is once a data source is chosen for an agent for data library, what is true about changing the data source later? So the option is the data retriever can be reconfigured to use a different data source. Option B, the data source can be changed through the data cloud setting. Option C is the data source cannot be changed after it is selected. The correct option is C. The next question is Universal Containers wants to make a marketing newsletter and to directly use data from 5 unrelated objects two standard and three custom object in a prompt template. So here, how should you see accomplish this requirement? The option A is create a flex template and use the five object as inputs. Option B is create a prompt template, passing in a object, specific special custom object that connects the records temporarily. Option C is create a prompt template triggered flow to access the data from the five objects. The correct option is option A. So Flex template will support up to five objects, so including custom and standard objects. The next question is based on the user utterance, show me all customers in New York. Which standard agent action will the planner service use? So option A is query records, option B is fetch records, option C is select records. The correct option is A. So in this video, this is the final question. Uh, will create few more videos on the Salesforce Agentforce Specialist exam dumps. Okay. The question is Universal Containers recently added a custom flow for processing return and created a new agent action. Which action should the company take to ensure the agent for service agent can run this new flow as part of the new agent actions? Option E, assign the manage users permission to the agent force agent user. Option B, recreate the flow using the agent force agent user. C. Assign the assign the run flow permission to the agent force agent user. The correct option is C. So with this question, we ended this video. We'll create few more videos on that say agent force specialist FAQs. So if you are not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. If you want to do any video on any trailhead topics, please do let me know on the comment box. So thank you once again. So if you are, please do subscribe my channel.